There are thousands of ways in which you can wash your wig. We've narrowed it down to 3 different ways, which we recommend here in the studio so you can master the art of washing your wig at home and be the queen of your own hair in your own domain. Hey, this is Andrew Wilson here from Transitions Hair. We're here to help you find out the most relevant information regarding hair restoration, hair replacement, and hair loss products today. The third method that we're going to be talking about today in our series of 3 videos is what we call the Mannequin Method. And here are the 5 things you need for the mannequin. So as the name suggests, you need a mannequin head, okay? Not a very pretty thing always, but very essential. You want to get a nice rubber one. Do not get a styrofoam one. They fall apart, they're kind of useless. These here will last you for years and years and years. In fact, you could probably even give them as an heirloom to your kids or your grandkids. They'll last for that long, okay? Trust me. The other thing that's essential is some of these dressmaking pins. These you'll use to put into the mannequin head and it'll hold the wig onto the mannequin. It's perfect for that. So dressmaking pins and your mannequin. The next thing that you need basically is your brush. Now you want a vent brush, you might call it a spider brush. This one here is one that we love. It's got nice flex to it. It's the hair skein brush, okay? And it's got lots of flex to it. These prongs there, or those bristles, are open and they're excellent for detangling the hair, and they're nice and soft. You can see how they bend. They've got a lot of flex. Beautiful brush. Get yourself a good vent brush. The other products that you want to have are the ProGen Nutrifuse range. These are the ones that we have in the studio ourselves. We love these products. They're the only ones that we really recommend as far as shampoo and conditioner are concerned. You've got the nourishing shampoo full of collagen and protein and lots of other beautiful products like that. This is the nourishing conditioner. All these products are paraben free, so that's really important for you to know. And finally, here is you have the hydrating leave-in conditioner. Also remember that these particular products here are specifically made for wigs, hair pieces, hair systems. They're made for this. They're gonna make the hair so beautiful, you'll love it. Use these products. And the final couple of things that you need is like a towel. You'll need a towel, nice cotton towel. Hyper-absorbent chamois are also really good as well. And the final thing you're gonna need is a sink that's big enough that you can get your mannequin, pop the wig on top, and that all the water can flow through. Let's jump into it. So before you wash, you brush. And when you brush from the mid-lengths to the ends, brushing it through like so. You now want to place the wig into a basin, can be a sink of any description. You do need a bit of clearance to make this work better. And then you just want to get yourself some warm water and run it over the top of the wig. And as you're doing this, you want to give it like a liberal dose of water because you can't see what's happening as well with, say, the handheld method. And as you're doing this, you again want to keep the hair going in the same direction the entire time. Don't scrub it, don't emulsify it like with your own hair. That's a really bad idea. It could tangle the hair, all right? So then you get yourself your shampoo, and again, we're using like the Nutrifuse range of products that look just like this, beautiful products. Just rub it into your hands and then put it over the top of the hair like that, put it over the top of the wig like that, and just work it through, okay? Hold that up and work it through like so. Now, as I'm doing that, I can see that it's sudsing up. That's because this is really lovely clean hair. If your wig happens to be, a bit dirty, or it's got a bit of oil from doing all the fun activities you've been doing, you might need to do this a few times. I do want to make sure that the actual suds are going all the way down to the bottom, and also that I've worked it through to the underneath. You could potentially miss that. So we're just going through and taking it through the underneath, and also here at the front. The nice thing about the mannequin method is that if you do have a part, you can keep that part in there really nicely. It's really easy to do that. And so I'm just gonna rinse this off. And then I'm gonna get some of my moisture-rich conditioner. And I'm gonna, again, place that not at the roots first, but on the ends. The reason why I do it on the ends is because the ends are the oldest part of the hair, and they are the parts of the hair that's gonna be the driest, and they need the most conditioning. So in order to reduce hair loss and hair slippage, we want to put a smaller amount at the roots. However, you do need to put some conditioner on the roots. If you don't, hair will get dry and it can break off. You don't want to do that. Now ideally you'd let that sit there for a couple of minutes and let that conditioner soak into it. If you need more conditioner or you want to put a mask on the hair, now's a great time to do that. This is a brand new wig, so I'm not going to worry about that. I'm just going to rinse it out straight away. And you want to make sure you've got all the excess conditioner out of the hair, otherwise the hair will become very heavy and feel very heavy. You can then just get yourself a towel. We have these Salon Ultra Absorbent towels. A chamois can be really good as well because they don't catch on the hair. And I'm just going to pop that on there, just like you would your own hair, but don't rub it or scrub it, just pat it. Okay, you want to squeeze it or blot it dry. And now I'm going to get some of the leave-in conditioner, the hydrating leave-in conditioner. I'm going to spray that into the hair. This is probably one of the most important steps. Sometimes people do wonder whether the leave-in conditioner is that important, but I can tell you from our client's perspective, this is the make or break product. It's the thing that really makes the hair feel lovely and beautiful. And again, I'm gonna go get our flexible vent brush. This is really nice. The hair skin range is excellent, and I'm just gonna brush that through. You can see it just glides through. Perfect. And now, once we've done that, your hair is ready to style. That is video number 3 of how to wash your human hair wig, the Mannequin Method. We hope you enjoyed it. Now, if you liked it, give us a thumbs up just here below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can see all the latest content that we're producing on a regular basis for you. If you've got a comment, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And because you've watched right to the very end, we've got a special gift for you. We're going to give you 10% off anything that you saw in the video today as far as the products are concerned. Here's the coupon code for you, it's right there. It'll also be in the description box below. Get in touch, we want to hear from you. Thanks very much and enjoy your hair.